Have you ever wondered how much is your Amazon business worth? I talked to Paulina Masson from Shopkeeper, and I asked her to help us to understand how the worthiness of the business can be calculated. Hello, Paulina.
Hi, Augustus.
So please help us to understand how Amazon sellers could evaluate their business worth.
Of course. So there are two main things that you will be looking at. You will want to know what your profit was in the recent years, and you will want to look at your inventory value. So let's take a look how exactly you can do that. So to know your numbers, you could either go and try to analyze the different Excel reports on Seller Central, or you can simply use an app that is a business dashboard providing you business analytics and data. One of them is Shopkeeper. So you would go and look at your previous year's numbers. So you would go to custom range and select exactly 1 year before today. And then you would look at the number of profit that you made in that year. So in this case, it's 28,000 euros. That means that 28,000 you have in 1 year. And you will, for the evaluation, you will have to take 2 times of the last year. So times 2. Right? That means approximately you have 60,000. So we always average it because there are more things that go into account here. So let's say 60,000 is a value of your business. But on top of that, you have some inventory in stock. So in Shopkeeper, you would find your inventory value via the widget on the dashboard. So it shows here that you currently have 41 products in stock. There are so many units, and it costs you about 34,000 euros for manufacturing, shipping, and so on. Now, if all of these products would sell today, you would receive a revenue of about $80,000 euros, and minus the Amazon fees, you would receive a payout into your bank account, which is approximately 53,000 euros. So it's not exactly the profit, but it's the amount that you are still going to receive in cash to your bank account. Therefore, you can add this number to your valuation just to see what number you would get at the end after the acquisition of your business. So when you sell it at 100% asset sale, including the inventory, in this case, you would cash out at 113,000 euros. That is the number you want to know. Now, of course, there are more other things. It's not so straightforward and so easy. There are other things that go into account. So they look at how long you are a seller, and so they look at many different things. They look at how long you have been a seller. They also look at the stability of your account. They look if the trend is actually upwards, if your sales were going well and they're not on the decline. And they look at the specific category you're selling in, if you seller performance is good, so many other things, right? But if you just want the rough estimate, rough number, this is exactly how you would do it, just the way I just showed you.
Perfect. So yeah, basic point is that it's really difficult to get these numbers right without some external tools. Amazon Seller Central doesn't really provide this information easily, right?
You could if you really want to, but it's not going to be so quick and easy, just like I showed you. It would really take you hours and hours to sort through Excel sheets. First, you have to calculate your profit manually. That means at least 10 different reports you have to pull, do pivot tables on Excel, add them up, minus your expenses, all of these things. And then inventory value as well. You will have to go and check the cost for each of the items. It's a lot of work. So it's much better to just use a tool like Shopkeeper or any of the other business dashboards that exist.
And if you would like to get access to a tool which will help you to pull all these numbers which Paulina talked about, visit the shopkeeper.com and use the links below this video to get an extended trial to try this software. Thank you very much, and don't forget to click subscribe below this video.